Hi, this is John with WTI, and I am a guy who likes a lot to have his own environment always smelling nice and clean. So the fact that the first impressions are mostly one of the most important things, this Glade air freshener, the replacements for this air fresheners that is connected to the wall, specifically this one, the clean linen. This smells like you just did laundry and you're going to sleep and you feel all of your sheets smelling nice and clean, and you just give you this comfort that you just like you get into a place that is clean and fresh for you just to go and relax. This has the replacements that you can plug it in the main adapter that you put it into the wall, and it's constantly radiating all these oils and smells that just does great. The fact that it's oil is gonna be having a long time for it to burn out, and the smell is gonna stay in the air perfectly. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.